there happens to be a cop right there. Damn, I gotta park right next to him too. Jeez. I'm gonna park a little behind. He's not gonna notice me. He's a sheriff. Yes. He's gonna go before me. Yes. Let me not jinx it. Yo, you too. I don't know how to do introductions. But man, I got work at 1. I got a whole new job, man. I used to work for the county before. They kept playing with me, man. Like, kept playing with my money, so I didn't like that. So I went somewhere else. But the new place where I'm working at got me on a new schedule. It's like 1 to 10. I mean, it's okay. I don't like it. I like morning shifts. I'm more of a morning person. I'd rather wake up in the morning and have my afternoon off, you know, because most people are making moves or most people are out in the afternoon. You know what I mean? But it's okay. I think it's just for the first 2 weeks I'm there, and then they're gonna probably move me to the morning shift. Yeah, man. I wanted to record. I haven't recorded in a minute. I think last time I recorded was... Why is the cop not going? I think the last time I recorded was like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. It's been a little minute. Oh yeah, I don't think in the last video I didn't have this, but I got a dash cam now. So if anybody want to run it and get it on camera, we can do it. We can do it all day. And if people want to break into my car, if I'm being honest, I think besides scat packs, I think Q50s, well, statistically, I think Q50s are like also like right behind scat packs when it comes to like stolen vehicles, especially like in the Atlanta area or, you know, Florida area. That's what I heard, but you don't want to take that chance. Oh man, man, I hate having work at 1, dude. It's like I gotta eat lunch and then I don't know, bro. It's like the day just feels so depressing. It's like you live your whole morning just to like, is it that time yet? Is it that time yet? It's like you wait. It's like so much anticipation waiting to it to be like. I don't know, bro. I don't like it. Y'all let me know. What schedule y'all got? What time schedule? Damn, bro, I can't talk. What type of schedule you guys have as a job, man? I know doctors, they be doing like 40 hours straight, but then they get like 2 days off, so. I feel like you just have to have a good balance, because think about it, if you like work 40 hours straight and when you get off work, all you're gonna think about is sleep. But if you sleep too much, then basically on the whole time you had off, you basically just slept all of it. So I feel like you just have to have a good balance. Maybe that's what I need. I need to have a good balance. Because realistically, I still go to sleep. I get out at 10, but realistically, I still go to sleep around the same time I would if I didn't have work at 10. If I had got, damn, dude, what's that? Fuck. Oh my gosh. I don't like cussing out videos, or at all. I don't like cussing out videos because I feel like it's bad. Putting a bad imprint on myself. It's not good. But y'all know what I mean, right? My sleep schedule is the same. It's just I have the option to sleep in more in the morning, so I take it. You know what I mean? Maybe that's what it is. I need to go back to my old schedule. But the thing is, I feel like I'm gonna be tired at work. That's the reason why I sleep more in the morning, to get more rest, so I'm not tired at work. Cause I don't want to be at work. You know, boss man wants you. You know. I want to go to a reptile show. If y'all didn't know, I'm into reptiles. It's like a little hobby of mine, man. I have too many hobbies. And I still want more hobbies. I want to get into more stuff. I want to get to guns. Pew, pew, pew. I'm gonna get into guns. Like right now, I'm into Legos, reptiles, cars. Too many hobbies, man. I gotta stick to one. I gotta clean my plate. Dude, what you breaking for, dude? If y'all live in, wait, did I pass McDonald's yet? No, it's still that way. I need to pass my McDonald's. If y'all live in Lawrenceville area, y'all let me know where I'm at. Let's see if y'all, how many local viewers I got. I got a couple people that are pretty local to me. Actually, it's pretty like, every couple or so videos I get people like, no way you're in Atlanta, or no way you're here, or no way. I'm like, yeah, dude, I live next to you, dude. We're like neighbors. I'm just not as, you know, I'm just kind of quiet. No, low-key misconstruction, dude. Damn, so many dudes. Dude. Do a little pool, or I want to at least. That's not a pool. Sorry, pool. Bro, I hit for the first time on the E-way. I hit 115. I've never done that. And like, I feel like after a certain while, like when you're going so fast, you don't even feel like the car just starts to flow. You feel like it starts to elevate. You just start, everything just start passing you. I think that was like the second day of work I had. Bro, that night was horrible, dude. I got out at 1 in the morning, 1:30. I got out at 1:30. Bro, I did 12.6 hours that day. I didn't even have lunch. I didn't have lunch and I did 12 hours straight. Yesterday was the first day I actually sat down and had lunch. It was like 45 minutes. It's cool or whatever. But yeah, no, my boss, man, he put me on something I never had experience on. I mean, I'm not complaining. It was cool. I learned new experience. I genuinely wanted to cry. I know. I remember exactly the time too. It was like 11:30. It was like 11:30, almost 12. I was like, bro, I don't want to do this, man. Take me home. Cause like, it's kind of they need trucks to go in and out. They don't want to have trucks sitting in the shop. So, you know, most places, if you don't finish, they're like, okay, first thing, and when you come in tomorrow, first thing, get that done so we can get it out. Nah, they wanted it done that day. Had no experience on what I was doing. I mean, it wasn't hard. It's just, you know, there's technique and stuff. Stuff becomes easier after repetition. It was my first time doing it, so I don't know no techniques on how to take it off. I was, you know, it was like, for my other heavy truck people out there, it was a carrier housing for your drive shaft. It was the rubber boot in the inside was worn out, caused your drive shaft to shake a lot and vibrate. Yeah, so I had to replace it. You know, with time comes experience, I guess. Oh, what do I want here? I don't know why I was craving. Damn, bro, it's already 11. This is what I'm talking about, dude. Like, you just look at the time like, fuck. I mean, sorry, dude. See, that's how I don't like the schedule, bro. The schedule got me acting up bad. Got me acting like a bad boy. It gave me goosebumps saying that. I'm not saying that again. But you know what I mean? Like, you look at the time, like, look, in an hour, I'm gonna look at him like 12. Oh, no. And there's gonna be 12. I'm like, oh, 30 minutes, I got wait. I hate that, dude. I'd rather just wake up in the morning, get dressed, and go straight to work. I don't gotta think about it. I gotta think too much going in at 1. Too much thinking. I don't like it. The heck? They got Ronald McDonald dancing with a tree. No, not today. Can I get a? Do you guys got a? Can I get nuggets?
Chicken?
Yeah, chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
How many?
10.
10?
Can you make it a meal?
You want a 10-piece meal?
Yeah.
Alright, then what size fries you want for that?
The sauce?
Fries, what size?
A medium's fine.
And then drink?
Can I get an Arnold Palmer?
What is the drink for the meal?
I'm sorry?
What drink you want for the meal?
Oh, the sauce?
What drink you want for the meal? What drink?
Oh, Arnold Palmer.
Again?
Sweet tea lemonade.
Sweet tea lemonade? Alright, what size?
Medium.
Alright, anything else?
The sauce, can I get sweet and sour?
Sweet and sour? Alright, anything else?
That'll be it.
Alright, so 10-piece meal with the meal sweet tea lemonade, medium fries?
Yeah.
Alright, so it'll be 963 for the sweet tea. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Dude, am I tweaking? Like, I thought I said Arnold Palmer. Oh, what the heck? Oh my gosh. Bruh, I swear. This 1 to 10 schedule got me tweaking, bro. It's like I'm getting slower every day. I'm complaining too much. Let me stop complaining. Nah, I'm gonna complain more, dude. Dude, it's just the schedule sucks, man. I just hate it. I got like no life. When everybody like, I don't know, dude. It's like when you get off at 4 or 5 and everybody else is headed home, you're like, what's that one Sunshine song? I don't know, bro. It's like put whatever happy song you can think of. Hold on, let me pay for this real quick. Man, I can't wait for the weekend. Dude. Crazy driver, crazy mama. Yeah, bro, this whole video is gonna be me ranting about my new job, dude. It's crazy. I'm not even excited for the weekend to like rest. I'm excited for the weekend to like communicate with people, dude. Like, cause I haven't seen nobody this whole week. Not even, bro. I haven't even seen my sister. One of my sisters I haven't even seen this whole week, and we live in the same house. My little sisters, I think I see like twice this week, and that's cause what's it called? They got out of church late. They got out of church one day. No, bro. I only see my sisters once this week, and that was yesterday. That's crazy. It's not really so much like sleep. It's just I can't. You know? I'm like in solitude. Pablo General Home Repair. Basement pressure washing. This fool does everything. Alright, but you guys, I'm gonna cut the video because I want to eat my food in peace. But I hope you guys have a good day, a wonderful day. Some of y'all probably gonna get off of work and I have to go into this sucky. Nah, it's not sucky. I'm gonna stop complaining. I love my job. I just hate the schedule. But yeah, man, I'll see you on the next video. If y'all do enjoy my POVs, man, like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. It helps the channel too. You know? But okay. Bye. See you guys. Bye. Who puts a Publix cup in the middle of the road? How do you even...